Orange Navelina will add a touch of class and decadence to your plant collection. And actually, as a summer flowering plant on your patio, I think the fragrance this will give you could be unbeatable, because the white star-shaped flowers just look gorgeous. And at first glance, they're relatively small. They're probably about ½ inch across. But actually, the amazing strength of perfume that they give off that just hangs in the air, it really, really is something special. So this is a must for me, outdoors, on your patio during the summer. Position it somewhere close to where you would sit, maybe on your, near your patio set or your bistro set, and it will reward you month after month, year after year. The glossy green foliage looks the same all year round. It keeps its foliage all year, basically. It's an evergreen tree, it never stops growing, and the flowers will keep being produced through the course of the year. But each flower, and as I say, they're beautifully fragrant and star-shaped, each flower has the potential to form into a lovely little fruit just like this. Now, this is a very young orange. This will grow, it's around about early June at the moment. This will grow and increase in size and of course eventually change colour. And strangely, they go from sort of green to a lemony colour, then eventually they reach the full orange colour. And that will happen around about the end of the calendar year each year. So November, December, January is the traditional time to be picking oranges. That's when this will be in a place where the fruit that it produces in spring and into summer will be ready for you to harvest. And they will be full-sized. They're gorgeous, and they will be navel style oranges. So they've got the lovely sort of belly button to them almost. So a lovely variety, a real talking point. You've got fragrant flowers. You've also got fragrant foliage. So if you take off the odd leaf and you just crush it, it really is a beautiful fragrance. It's a lovely, real rich orange, that really essential oil orange fragrance that you sometimes get. That's what it smells like for real, and you'll have it in your garden. Now, you could grow this in a pot, you could have it in the conservatory over the winter months, and I'd certainly recommend from late October through to about the end of March, maybe even into mid-April, you have it indoors, frost protected. Not because the frost would necessarily kill it, but it would definitely knock the foliage back, and it would slow down the flower production and mean you get less fruit. So outdoors from around about mid-April through to the end of October, indoors in your conservatory, your greenhouse, or anywhere, maybe even a porchway, outside of that period, and it will reward you with more flowers, more fragrance, and ultimately more fruit. So Orange Navelina, a beautiful variety. It's easy to grow, it's low maintenance. Get yours now and really make your plant collection stand out from the crowd.